If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this. If I tell you do like that, I'ma show my take on to the left though.
Oh, but we be techno copana, overture international banana. Emi Timothy sharp Timothy.
Shawty, yeah. All of this money and I've been losing my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new and you don't know what my name is Aissa, and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. If you're new and this is your first time on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell right next to it so you don't miss any of our videos. You know, you don't want to miss any, because I guarantee you won't regret it. But yeah, so today's video is just a few back to school hairstyles. You know, school will be back in session really soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe before watching it, and we'll see you in our next one. Hey guys, so let's dive right into it. For those who don't know, this wig is a wig that I've had for a really long time, and the hair is from UNice Hair. But yeah, I just decided, like, I wanted to try different things with my frontal because I never really do. So for the first hairstyle, I'm gonna go ahead and separate two strands in the front. And you know, like, there's been this trend with like either the two braids in the front or the two strands. But yeah, I'm just gonna separate the two strands in the front. Then I'm gonna take a small section on each side and kind of like brush it out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going with a rubber band because I couldn't find any like elastic band. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it and kind of do like a little like half up, half down. And yeah, I really actually liked how this look came out, guys.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine up to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show.
So for the second hairstyle, we're gonna go ahead and separate two sections in the front. They can be however big you want them to, but yeah, just separate two sections in the front and pin the rest backwards. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by braiding that section. And guys, oh my god, this was actually way harder than I expected. Like, I underestimated this part. But yeah, so you just want to braid it and kind of go all the way down, or like, yeah, as low as possible. And yeah, just enjoy me doing this braid. After I'm done with this side, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And you know, like, I'll be back when I'm done braiding. But for the moment, if you're having difficulties braiding, or you've never actually thought of braiding your frontal, I think it's a really good hairstyle. You just need practice, you know? Practice makes perfect. So yeah, just enjoy me braiding this hair.
Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see no take you there. Pull up, bad man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
So pretty much when I'm done braiding, I'm gonna go ahead and use a rubber band and put that on the end, because obviously, guys, this braid is just going to unravel if you don't tie it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and separate the section on the other side and kind of do the same thing. So it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Make sure your sections are very equal, you know, like you don't want them to look a little weird, or like a section to be bigger than the other one. So yeah, just take your time with this one, guys. If you're not comfortable doing it, you know, like honestly take your time, because then it's gonna look better, it's gonna come out better, you know.
Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me, all of me. I'm auto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. Double she a wine, make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me low, tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You're done now.
So now that I'm done with the braids, I'm gonna go ahead and accessorize them, and I'm gonna put these little gold thingies, I keep forgetting how they're called, but these gold clips or whatever, I'm gonna put some on the ends like to hide the rubber band, and I'm just gonna put some also close to at the level of my eyes, and that's basically the final look for this one.
You're done now. Bad man. Yeah.
So now that I'm done with that other hairstyle, we're just gonna literally take the gold clips out, and from that hairstyle we're gonna transition into the next one and just pin those braids in the back. And for this I would have preferred bigger braids, but you know, like, you get the concept for the sake of the video. And yeah, that's also a really quick, really easy hairstyle for school.
Don't be late now. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need.
Okay, and now for the next hairstyle. At this point, guys, I think my frontal started lifting a little bit, but it's okay. We're still gonna go with it. You know, I used the Got to Be Glued gel in the yellow bottle, but the big yellow bottle. So I think I might have not glued it properly, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. So for the next hairstyle, I'm just parting the hair in the front and brushing it back, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this mousse on that section that I just parted, and literally I'm running that mousse with my hand, and then I'm gonna use a hard bristle brush and just kind of brush that section back a little bit, and that's just gonna smooth the hair, because I want that section to look really smooth and to be smooth actually, so that it kind of lays better. And now with a rubber band, I'm gonna go ahead and tie that section. You guys, you can make this section bigger than mine. It's just at this particular moment, like I said, my frontal was starting to lift a little bit, so I decided to make the section a little smaller. And also, I think this hairstyle would be really cute if you decide to curl it, but obviously I didn't do that. So yeah, you can either wear it like this on the side, or as you'll see later, I kind of put it parted the two pieces, which I prefer. Okay, so this next hairstyle is a little more complicated, guys. I've been seeing these, you know, like rubber band hairstyles lately, and I wanted to try it, you know. Obviously I didn't have the colored rubber band, I just had the black ones, but I think I prefer that because when it comes to my hairstyles, I'm a very simple girl. But yeah, I'm basically just parting my hair in the middle, and then with each section I'm gonna part it again in the middle, as you can see me do at this particular moment. And then I'm going to take each section and just part it in two parts. And so technically you should have, in total, if you do this right, you should have 8 parts. So 4 on one side, 4 on the other. And when that section is properly parted and the hair is equal and like I wanted, I'm gonna take the rubber band and literally just tie that section. I'm gonna do that for each and every section, guys, and I'm just going to make sure that each section is tight. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I'm wanting her more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow.
So once all my sections are done, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of twist each part and put it into a half up, half down type of ponytail.
Because bad man point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man go take you there.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these looks, and I hope you guys recreate these cute little hairstyles when you go back to school so you can slay in the classroom, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I'm really glad you watched till the end. If you watched through the end, you're a real one, okay? And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We like talking to you guys in the comments. And of course, don't forget to follow us on our social media. Tag us if you recreate some of these looks. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.